Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Hannah and today we're going to be unboxing Bellamy Beauty's Premium Starter Kit. I'm super excited about this. If you guys aren't familiar with Bellamy Beauty, they are basically brand new to the network marketing world, but they are a luxury beauty brand. Okay, like super pumped. They're pretty much known for their clinical grade skincare with European ingredient standards. So they're safe to use. So it's like safe skincare, but it's also super effective. It is going to be a full-on beauty brand. So right now they have skincare, but they are launching makeup this summer and then a body line later this year. Super new, not even a year old. So this is a big deal. This is basically going to be huge in the network marketing world. Definitely a brand to look out for. I am going to be unboxing the Premium Starter Kit, which is the $2.99 kit. This is what you get when you sign up with Bellamy. You get this guy right here, and I don't know, I am just obsessed with my white box, but it's very sturdy. It's also got like this magnetic closure here. Super chic. I love the branding of this company. I think it is just super sophisticated and it feels luxurious. Let's go ahead and get into what actually comes in here. The very first thing that you see is this right here. This is the training binder insert, and I love this because when I saw this, I just immediately, like, I don't know, I was just super in love with this brand even more, if that makes sense, because the quote on here, it says, "Nothing is impossible. The word itself says I'm possible," and it's by Audrey Hepburn. I am so into like motivational quotes and everything, and I just love the script. And then on here you have different tabs. So you've got like your getting started guide, you've got your ways to earn, your products. Really like this. The next thing that you see are the Bellamy bamboo cloths. They are literally like a cloud or like a pillow on your face. They are so soft, but what I love about these two is that they rinse clean. Like even if you have waterproof makeup, like you can rinse them underwater and it rinses clean. And like guys, these are white. I could literally talk about those forever. And you also get some samples. So you actually get 20 sample strips. So this is a pack of 10. So you actually get like 2 packs. You get your Hydrating Cleanser, your Hydrating Serum, Hydrating Eye Cream, and Hydrating Moisturizer. And these are the only products that Bellamy has currently. Like I mentioned, they are going to come out with more later this year. Super excited about it because these 4 are amazing, and this is the Aqua Lumiere collection. They have transformed my skin. Then next up, you actually have the Bellamy Brochures, and then this is the back. It has like the 4 different products on there as well. Really love this. This is a pack of 10, but you get 20 total. So basically, whenever I let someone sample or they want more information on it, you know, sometimes I'll give them a sample strip and a brochure. It really just kind of depends. But you get 20 of each of these guys. Next up, this is the training binder that you get. I love it. This is soft leather, super classic, super sophisticated. I love this thing. I take it with me everywhere. Basically, it's got like this magnetic closure here. Comes like that, and then when you open it, it's like a little binder. I think it's really great. So it'd be sort of like this, and then you got your binder. And if you're taking that around, and so you've got like a couple of brochures thrown in here, you've got, you know, a couple of samples thrown in here, some business cards. Like if you are going around town or you're seeing friends, I love this because it's everything all in one spot. So when you purchase the Premium Starter Kit, you actually get a full-size bottle of each of the products from the Aqua Lumiere collection. First up, this is the Hydrating Cleanser. This is the box that comes in. As you can see, it's pretty massive, but I'm gonna open it up for you. I always recommend, like if anyone wants to start with anything, start with the cleanser. I just love this thing so much. Again, super massive. It's like the size of my head, but when you take the top off, I am awful. But when you take the top off, like it's got this really, like, I don't know, it's kind of industrial, but also like super chic and classy all at the same time. This is the packaging. It's a European style cream cleanser. So basically all you do, you pump it into your hand and you rub it onto your dry skin, whether you're wearing makeup or not. This is a makeup remover, a cleanser, and also a hydrating mask. And you basically take one of these like bamboo cloths. You run it under some warm water, and then you basically kind of steam your face, and it just removes all your makeup and cleanses all in one step. It is spa-like. It's like I'm obsessed with this stuff, and it's also 5 ounces, which I don't know really of another cleanser that's not like jumbo size that's 5 ounces. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Next, you have actually my second favorite, or you know, these are like tied for first for me. So this is the Hydrating Serum right here. I adore this serum right here. It is incredible. My skin has never looked better between all of these products. I cannot be without them. Like, my skin kind of freaks out if I try to find something else and replace this. Like, it just doesn't do the same. My skin type, if you're watching, I am very acne prone. I get cystic acne. I have kind of dehydrated skin, and I have dry patches and redness. But essentially, this entire line has helped my cystic acne tremendously, and is also, this serum right here has single-handedly gotten rid of the dry flakes on my nose. I have never been able to get rid of dry flakes on my nose. So I just, no matter what exfoliating product I use, or moisturizer or serum, like nothing was working, and nothing, like it was just awful. But this, overnight, it cleared up my dry patches. It's a miracle product. I love this stuff. This, again, this and the cleanser are my favorites. I could rave and rave and rave about these two. Amazing stuff. Now we're gonna get to the third item, which is the Hydrating Eye Cream. Now, I love this stuff as well, but again, like, those two are just like standout products for me. This is what it looks like. I like this particular eye cream because, for one, it sinks into my eyes really well. Like, it doesn't just sit there, but it also does everything, which I don't know if I've ever found an eye cream that does everything. And what I mean by that is that it's anti-aging, it prevents fine lines and wrinkles, it depuffs, it helps with dark circles, it gets rid of hyperpigmentation, and it brightens. Like, it does it all. Love, love, love this so much. Okay, and then last, but definitely not least, is the Hydrating Moisturizer. I have never found a moisturizer that I can use morning and night, I guess just because the way my skin is. But this has worked amazingly. It makes my makeup go on super smooth, and it doubles as a makeup primer, which I think is awesome. I love this. I mean, this has totally like balanced out my skin. My skin is no longer dry and flaky or dehydrated, and I don't battle with cystic acne anymore. So this actually has the patented ingredient Silicones, and it's basically Bellamy's white glove service. And what that kind of means is this helps all of the ingredients, okay, actually travel to the parts of your skin that need the ingredients the most. But that is everything so far. So let's kind of go through it again because the box is empty now. We have the Bellamy binder. Love this thing so much. Some brochures. We've got the Bellamy washcloths, the inserts, then we've got all 4 of the products, and then you have your samples of all 4 products as well. So again, that was everything that goes into Bellamy's premium starter kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know down below what kit you're gonna get. Let me know down below, and also if you are interested in joining our family, our Bellamy family, definitely make sure you fill out the application below. It's called the influencer application down in the description box, and I will be with you ASAP. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. It means the world to me. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, you share with your friends, and you hit that subscribe button. It would mean, again, it would mean the world. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.